Welcome to another KeyShot quick tip, where I'll be demonstrating some new label capabilities in KeyShot 6. For an accurate communication of physical properties, materials and textures can now be applied directly to labels. When a label has been added to a material, it'll show up in the Labels tab of the material it's applied to. The label name shows a prefix of the material type that's assigned to it. By default, this is set to plastic. Selecting a label from the list will show its type, properties, textures, and mapping parameters below. To adjust label mapping, go to the Label Textures tab, and with the Diffuse thumbnail button selected, use the mapping controls found below. To change the label's material, select from the Label Type dropdown. The associated label properties and label textures will update according to the type selected. Or just drag and drop a material from the library onto the label in the list. In the Label Properties tab, you can adjust the parameters just like you would for any other material. For multiple color variations, use a white label and the Blend with Color option, found in the Color Material Property dropdown. Simply duplicate the label and change the blend color to populate the list with color variations. Assigning textures to labels is just as easy. You can drag and drop a texture map onto the thumbnail button. Select a procedural texture from the dropdown. Or if the parent material has a bump assigned, select the From Parent option. If you have multiple labels and want the parent bump to show through all of them, go to the Parent Materials Textures tab, select the Bump Thumbnail button, and enable Apply Bump to Labels. This also provides the benefit of freeing up the label's bump channel to, for example, copy over the label by holding Alt to give it some thickness. When mapping textures, it's always important to be aware of the Sync option. For example, if we assign an opacity map to the label and want to adjust its scale independent of the label scale, we must first disable Sync to do so. As you can see, there's a lot of flexibility when it comes to materials on labels, enabling you to more accurately visualize and communicate your designs. For more helpful tips, subscribe to our channel at youtube.com/KeyShot3D and go to KeyShot.com/learning to find more videos, tutorials, and quick tips.